is Alva's family vlog, and I'm playing this awesome online game, Super Bopping Beads. You getting this, Mo?
Alva's family vlog, recording your best score yet.
Yay, everyone, look! I finally finished level 1!
Great job!
Oh, it says to unlock level 2, I need to purchase special electro bopping beads. Mom, Dad, can I buy them? Please?
Well, you need to think about it, Alva. What was a free game is now asking you to spend some of your pocket money to keep playing. Have a little think about what you really want to spend your pocket money on.
What about the keep safe box you were saving up for?
Maybe my friends in Gizmo might help me decide. Mo, go, Gizmo! What's going on?
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo. You're just in time. Mayor Garth is being presented with a new mayoral chain.
It's a gift from the Exalted Chainmakers. They say they made it in their fancy workshop on Gizmo Street.
Wow!
This chain is to honor how awesome Mayor Garth is.
I do look awesome, don't I?
You know what? You could look even more awesome by adding extra bling-a-ling to your chain.
Wow!
Oh, yes, please.
Now the chain was free, but the special bubbles, well, they cost a gizbit each. 19, 20, and 1.
Wow! I love your new chain, Mayor Garth. It's fabulous.
Thanks, Alva. But what if it was even more fabulous? By adding 1 or 2 special bubbles. They're only 1 gizbit each.
But aren't those gizbits used to pay all the oolies who help run the town?
Yes, but look, there's plenty. Oh, I really should get something to keep them in.
Well, Mayor Garth, have you made a decision?
Ooh, yes. I'd like to buy 1, maybe 2.
Excellent. No one but the mayor is allowed to see our special bubble attaching technique. It's a secret, see?
Wow, those bubbles look awesome.
Oh, I know. I bought a few extra.
Did you spend all the town's gizbits on bubbles?
Yes. Aren't they impressive? Look at this purple one. It's next level bling-a-ling.
I think that one's faulty.
Oh,
May I suggest bringing it back to the Chainmaker's workshop to ask for a replacement?
Good thinking, Mo. Let's go, Oolies.
Oh, you 3. Alva just went to your shop. Let me guess, a faulty bubble, right?
These things happen.
Yeah, that's why we thought we'd offer an oolie of your exquisite taste even better, more next-level bling-a-ling.
but I'm out of gizbits.
Yeah, gizbits aren't the only way to pay for something.
I've just done a search on Mo Maps, and there are no chain makers listed anywhere in Gizmo.
Well, that's weird.
And there's something weird about this. Without its fancy color, it looks just like a regular bubble from the bubble bush in the park.
Then I say we go to the bubble bush.
Presenting the gold-striped bubble. Now, We're gonna have an auction. Each of you is gonna offer something valuable for the gold striped bubble. The one who bids the most valuable item wins. Okay, who wants to start the bidding?
I'll bid 1 shoe for the bubble.
I'll bid 2 shoes.
All right, we got 2 shoes going once, going twice. Come on.
Oh, I get it. I'll bid a pair of boots.
We got a pair of boots going once, going twice.
My favorite fork.
My favorite fork and spoon.
My favorite spoon and berry bowl.
Yeah, we got a spoon and a berry bowl going once, going twice.
I'll bid Gizmo.
You can't bid Gizmo.
Okay, I'll bid Gizmo then.
You can't bid Gizmo either. I'm the mayor. I would have to stand here and say, I bid Gizmo.
Wait, I can't hear you from over here.
I bid Gizmo.
Right, Gizmo going once, going twice. 1 gold striped bubble sold to former Mayor Uli Garth for the mere price of Gizmo.
Wait, what now? I didn't mean to actually...
You got till dusk to clear out.
We did it, guys.
We completely tricked the mayor into spending all his Gizbits on these worthless bubbles.
And then we took Gizmo from him.
It's the trolls!
Foolies are foolies.
The entire town of Gizmo in exchange for 1 bubble?
You were tricked. It's not fair.
Oh, well, it may not be nice, Alva, but under the Gizmo rules of swapsies and tradesies, it was fair. I'm such an ooly fooly.
Oh, Mayor Garth, if someone mean tricks you, it's not your fault.
Oh, it's just ooly Garth now. Or it will be at dusk when those trolls come back to take over Gizmo. What would you do?
If somebody tricked me, I'd tell Mom and Dad straight away.
It won't be the same with the trolls in charge of Gizmo.
Hey, if the trolls want Gizmo, let's give them Gizmo.
I predict that Alva is having one of her excellent ideas.
It's dusk. Here we are. We're in charge now. We're the trolls.
Oh, we had no idea. Did we, Ulis?
Nuh-uh.
No idea whatsoever.
It's such a relief not to have to run the town anymore. And everything that comes with the job.
Everything that comes with the job?
There's so much work to do running Gizmo. Isn't that right, Alva?
Oh, yes. To keep the fountain clean, the fountain cleaners will have to be paid 5 Gizbits. Organising street sweeping, that'll cost 10 Gizbits. And don't forget, to feed the blobbos, you'll have to pay 16 Gizbits.
Oh, yeah, they do get rather peckish.
Enough! Enough!
I'm sure you'll figure it all out after a few years.
No, wait! We don't want the town anymore!
It's way too much work.
And really expensive.
Please!
Well, if you'd prefer, Mayor Garth could give you the bubbles back if you give him Gizmo back and all those Gizbits he spent.
Yeah, anything!
Take them all!
Whose big idea was that anyway?
This box is perfect for keeping Gizbits in. Thanks for your help, Alva. I'm never gonna fall for next level bling-a-ling again.
Don't worry, Mayor Garth. It's kind of easy to buy lots of things you really want, but maybe you don't really need.
Ooh, the Yogo van!
I think it's okay to spend a little bit on yourself, as long as it's just a little bit.
1 Yogo tub it is. And 5 cups for sharing.
Aw, thank you, Mayor Garth. But we've got to go home. Okay, Mo, time to go.